So guys, till now we have decided everything like name, niche, category, everything. Now it's time to create our YouTube channel, right? So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel, right? So before that, before directly jump into the process, you need to understand the requirement first. So there are not many higher standards to create a YouTube channel. You just need a Gmail ID, right? And to add in your recovery details, you need a mobile number and your existing email ID as well, which you can add into your recovery details. So these two will be added as your recovery details because this is your YouTube channel which you are going to create, and if it grows, obviously it will become an asset for you, and obviously you can't afford to lose an asset, right? So for that you need to add all the recovery details which can be added into your account, right? So we only need these three details. Except this, you don't need anything. Now let's directly jump into the process. And let me mention one more thing, that if you have already created one Gmail ID, so you don't need to create the Gmail ID again. You can create the YouTube channel in that Gmail ID itself, right? But I'm going to show you the proper method. So first I'll create the Gmail ID, then I'll create the YouTube channel in that particular Gmail ID, right? So that if someone doesn't know how to create a Gmail ID and don't have any idea that how to use the Gmail ID in order to create your YouTube channel, so they can understand the process, right? So guys, I'm in my Chrome browser, so let's directly go to Google and search here. First let me open the Google and search here Gmail, right? So once you write the Gmail, here you'll be able to see, click on this, and you need to create one account, right? Obviously after going on Gmail, you need to create one account. So create an account, click on create an account, and here you need to enter the first and last name. So you can add it. So this is the first and last name. Hit the next button, and here you need to enter the basic details like your date of birth and all, so you can add that as well. So I'm just adding the demo details, I'm not adding the proper details here. So just 0.1 January 1998 and mail, right? So I've added the demo details over here, and here you need to select your username, that what is the username you want. So I'm selecting MF as marketing fundas global, right? Global demo, right? So this is the username I have chosen, MF I've added double G, so it is MF global demo @gmail.com, right? If I hit the next button, okay, it is already taken. So what you have to do is you have to choose another username because this username already has been taken. So what I can do is I can add some number like 007. So now the email ID is like mfglobaldemo007 @gmail.com. This is the username. If I hit the next button again, and done, this was not taken. Now you have to enter the password. So it is compulsory to add a strong password. So whatever the password you want to add it, you can add it here. It is totally up to you, right? Again re-enter the password, right? So the password has been entered. Now hit the next button, and here you need to enter the recovery email ID. So in recovery email ID, obviously, as I told you, so I'm adding this email ID. Right. So this email ID I've added as a recovery email ID. If you want to skip this method, you can skip it, but I'm strongly recommend you to add your recovery email ID. And if it is asking you to add a mobile number, you should add that as well, right? Now hit the next button, and here it is asking to add your mobile number as well, right? But for now I'm just skipping this method, but as I told you that you need to enter both the informations, both the recovery informations, your email ID as well as your mobile number as well. But for now, this is because I'm just creating this video or this channel to show you and this is totally demo. That's why I'm not adding the phone number. I'm skipping this procedure, right? So my email ID has been done. This is my email ID, right? This is mfglobaldemo007@gmail.com. Hit the next button and your Gmail ID has been created. You need to accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions. So just click on I agree. And it's done, right? I hope you got the point. Your email ID has been created. Now it's time to create the YouTube channel, right? Using this email ID. So what you can do is you can directly open YouTube, and because you have already logged in your email ID in this browser, so your YouTube will be logged in with this email as well. You'll be able to see. Right, no, it is asking you to sign up, so just sign in. Otherwise what you can do is you can directly go to your Gmail, and here this Google Apps icon, you can click here and you can click on YouTube, and now you will be logged in through your YouTube, basically through your email ID. As you can see, now what you have to do is you just need to create on this button, sorry, not create, click on this button, and here you will be able to see create a channel, right? If you have already created your channel, you will be able to see visit your channel instead of create a channel option, right? So we haven't created any channel yet, that's why it is asking me to add a to create a channel. Now what you can do is you can upload a picture or a logo for your YouTube channel. So if I click on upload, let's see if I have any. Yes, I do have this one. So I'm selecting this logo, Marketing Fundas logo. I've selected this. I'm going to select the logo only. Basically the whole thing is logo, but I'm just selecting this one, this icon. Hit the done button and this will be added as a channel logo. Now what you can do is you can add the name here, you can add the handle here. And what is the use of this handle? Let me show you. If I open YouTube again, and if you use the handle, basically the handle can be used in the URL. Let's say if I want to open our channel, so what is this? youtube.com/marketingfundas global, and if you hit the enter button, you'll be directly land into our channel, as you can see, right? So this is the use of this handle. Welcome to Marketing Fundas Global YouTube. Right, so I'm not basically customizing this handle. If you want, you can totally customize your handle. Right now, create channel, basically click on create channel and your YouTube channel is being created. This is the simple process. You don't need to do anything extra. Now as you can see, your channel has been created. It is showing no videos, no subscribers. So this is the channel, basically. This is the front end of your channel, right? Now obviously you need to go to the back end of your channel as well, where you can manage all the things, your videos, your comments, your likes, dislikes, and analytics as well. So for that you need to click on this icon again, and here you will be able to see just below your channel option. Now here you can see the your channel option instead of create a channel option, right? So just below this you'll be able to see YouTube Studio option. Click on this and this is the back end of your YouTube channel, from where you can manage all the things, all the settings, all the options, all the uploadation, all the comments, everything, right? Welcome to YouTube Studio. Hit the continue button and let me close this. This is just giving me an idea. So this is the dashboard of your YouTube channel, or you can say the backend of your YouTube channel, right? So this is the simple process you need to follow in order to create your own YouTube channel. I hope you understood the process, and if you are still confused in some point, you can directly comment down below and I'll be there to answer your comments, right? So with that said, let's wrap up this video here and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.